hurricane warning in effect for the following counties. In Alabama: Bullock, Montgomery, Wilcox, Marengo, Dallas, Lundy's, Autauga, Elmore, Macon, Russell, Lee, Tallapoosa, Chambers, Coosa, Chilton, Bibb, Hale, Greene, Sumter, Randolph, Clay, Talladega, Shelby, Tuscaloosa, Pickens, Cleburne, Calhoun, St. Clair, Jefferson, Walker, Fayette, and Lamar until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Sunday at 6:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time on Friday. Hurricane Bally was located over Autauga County. Moving due north at 15 miles per hour. The sustained winds of Hurricane Bally is 170 miles per hour, and gusts of 205 miles per hour. When it makes it to Cullman County, it will weaken to a tropical storm. Tropical storm warnings will be posted around 5 a.m. Saturday or Sunday. Repeating hurricane force winds or gusts are expected in the warned area. Take cover when it starts.